She walked into a coffee shop and ordered her usual drink. But when she left and came back, the barista said the same words. Again and again. She wasn't just confused. She was trapped in a time loop. How did she escape? Maya visited the same coffee shop every morning before work. She knew the smell of coffee. She knew the sound of the machine. She even knew the barista's smile. One Tuesday morning felt normal. She ordered her cappuccino. Have a great day, Maya. She walked outside. Suddenly, she felt dizzy. When she opened her eyes, she was standing at the coffee shop in trance again. Confused, she walked inside. Have a great day, Maya. The same words, the same smile. She left again, dizzy again, back at the entrance again. This happened 10 times, 20 times. Her hands started shaking. Her heart was racing. She thought, am I going crazy? She screamed. She ran. She even refused to order coffee. But every time, she returned to the same place. Finally, Maya stopped. She took a deep breath. There must be a reason. Then she noticed something new. An old man sitting alone in the corner. He dropped his wallet. No one helped him. Excuse me, sir. You dropped this. Oh, thank you. You're very kind. She smiled. The dizziness came again, but this time, it felt different. When she opened her eyes, she was outside. She checked her phone. Time had moved forward. The loop was broken. Sometimes, life keeps us stuck, until we learn to be kind. Let's review today's vocabulary. Dizzy, feeling like everything is spinning. Example, after the ride, I felt dizzy. Panic, sudden strong fear. Example, don't panic. Everything will be okay. Lesson, something important you learn from experience. Example, that mistake taught me a lesson. Try using one of these words in a sentence today. Now, quiz time. How did Maya break the time loop? A. She ran away. B. She helped an old man. C. She stopped drinking coffee. The correct answer is B. She helped an old man. Thank you so much for watching. If these stories help you learn English in a fun way, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Share this with someone who's learning English. Together, we can make learning enjoyable. More amazing stories coming soon. Keep learning. Keep listening. See you next time with another story.